Just cracking on with breakfast. Got some freshly ground coffee, got some bread and bacon, and yeah, quite hungry now. It's don't know what the time is because my watch is on today. So sadly had a bit of a malfunction with my Jetboil today. Been with me for years, used it countless times. Yeah, so that's a shame. I'm still going to see if it works though. So welcome to my garage. On my recent Dartmoor hiking 3-day thing, I was really tired one night and I went to cook up some food in the morning, and being tired and a bit sick, I took my trusted, loved Jetboil Soul Titanium, so a cold weather titanium cooking thing, and I set it up. I have this thing, I didn't use it. I put my food, my frying pan straight on that, and the result was a melted on fire mess of the shroud. This is what's left of it. You can see the igniter. I was pretty sure it was dead. However, when I blew the fire out, I could just about still function with it. I could still boil water. It wasn't very stable, not very safe. Anyway, so I got back home and I got on the internet and I discovered I could indeed fix my shroud. I didn't see any information online about how to do it, so I figured it out myself. I started off cutting the old one off with some pliers and wire cutters. I've got obviously the Soul thermostat thing or fuel valve, which is better somehow. But to put it together and to take it off, really easy. In there you have a split pin. You can see it. That goes through the stove, goes through the shroud, goes through this titanium actual burner and holds them together. So literally all you need to do is order a new shroud, order a new valve if that's what you need, order a new burner. Then really line them up. When you're lining them up to put the split pin through, you've really got to push down on the top layer. You've got to squeeze them together to get them there. And that is it. I'll show you the video of me preparing this, because on this I had to sand away the mounted plastic. I don't know if you can see, but some of it is a bit rough still, but I did sand it away, or with like a mini angle grinder type thing, and polish it so as it would fit snug. But now it works a treat. I haven't yet received my ignition, but it will come. It's on its way. It's in the post. So I just wanted to show you. My valve is a bit bent, so make sure it's turned off. That's on. There we have it. Look at that. Beautiful for cooking when out in the wild. My Jetboil lives on. If you've got any questions or want any help with it, give me a comment. I don't know a lot. I kind of taught myself, but I'll be happy to help.